Okay, so to learn about motion in Scratch, let's see what options we have. Motion is in the first tab of this code section, and if we use this, we already know what this means. This is the block which is used to run our code. So when we drag and drop this block, then our sprite moves by 10 steps. So uh, it moves in the direction that it is facing. It is facing this direction towards right, so it moves towards right 10 steps. If we like change this to 50, then it moves towards right 50 steps at a time. So basically, this is used to move our sprite in the direction that it is facing. Next thing we have is turn. If we use this, then our sprite will turn 15 degrees clockwise direction. And if we use the next thing, which is this, then our sprite will turn 15 degrees but in the anti-clockwise direction. So basically these are the turn things that we use to turn our sprite. Also we have the next block, which is go to random position. So if we use this, sprite moves to random position. Okay, so basically this is used if we want to move sprite to a random position. The next one is go to. So we use this if we want to move our sprite to a particular coordinate. If we like set 0 0, then 0 0 is in the center, exactly the center. If we want to move back in this direction, then we decrease the x coordinate. If we want to move down, we decrease the y coordinate. If we want to move up, we increase the y coordinate. If we want to move right, we increase the x coordinate. So basically this is how sprite works. This is the like center position, and to move our sprite accordingly, if we set minus 50, then it moves back. If we set minus y also minus 50, then it moves down. So basically if we like use negative values, it will move down or back. If we use x negative, then it will move towards left, then y negative, it will move towards down. If we set it positive, plus 50, it will move to the right, plus 50 in y, it means 50 towards up. So basically this is how you move a sprite. We'll get more into this later when we make our game. So glide 1 second to random position. If we use this, then the sprite glides to a random position. So this is used when we want to like move to a random position but slowly. So this is used to move to a random position, but it will glide there. And next is glide 1 second to a particular position. If we want to move to a particular position, that is for example 0 0, then if we press this, it will like glide to the position 0 0. Then we have point in the direction. Okay, so let's remove this. We have point in the direction, and if we like this is 90 means it will be facing right. If we set it to like 180, then it will be facing down. If we set it minus 90, then it will face left. So basically this is how sprite like we can make it face a particular direction. We can make it face any direction. Let's leave it for 90 for now. And then after that we have point towards mouse pointer. So basically what this does is it will make our sprite point towards the mouse pointer. Since our mouse pointer is here, it is facing towards the mouse pointer. And then we have change x by 10. It will change x by 10. If you press play, then it will change x by 10. The next one is set x to 50. So basically this is how you set x to 50. We have changed y by 10, set y to 10. So basically this is what is used to set the values of x and y. We'll get more into that later, but you can use these blocks and then find out more stuffs about that. And also next we have if on edge bounds. This means if it reaches any of the edges like this, it will return back. Basically this means that. Next we have set rotation style left right. So set rotation style left right means the sprite will rotate like this. If we want to face this direction, it will rotate like this. Okay, let me use this block. But if we want to face this direction, it will face like this. So in left right, if we turn the sprite, it will turn accordingly. The sprite turns accordingly. But if we change this, if we say all around, then if we like face back, what happens is it faces like this. So basically all around and left right, the difference is the sprite will look like this, and if we use all around, then the sprite will look like this. So basically this is the difference between all around and left right. So these are all the things that we are going to discuss in motion. I'll see you in the next video about looks.